Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Mac Mini from 2024 and I'm going to show you for what purposes you can use it and for what purposes you can use your old Mac Mini if you bought this new one. So you can use your old Mac Mini as an emergency Mac if this will be broken. The second is for old software. You can use the old software that your newest Mac Mini doesn't support. The third one is a test machine. You can test out viruses, for example, a software or any things you want. For example, audio interfaces, cameras, scanners. The fourth is a digital video recorder. The fifth is a remote Mac. The seventh is as a work-only Mac, as a DVD Blu-ray player, or use the old Mac Mini as a media center, as a caching server, as a time machine backup server, or as a virtual Windows machine. You can use this as a Linux machine or a file server. There are many purposes of your old Mac Mini. You can do the same with your newest Mac Mini. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.